Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Jython is freely available for both commercial and non-commercial use and is distributed with source code under the PSF license v2. This allows programmers to experiment and debug any Java system using Jython. Rapid application development. Python programs are typically 2 to 10x shorter than the equivalent Java program.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The startup time and runtime performance for Jython are largely determined by the JVM. Startup time can be mitigated by using a tool like Nailgun. Running an older release of Java 7 can be much slower, due to bytecode verification. Jython is approximately as fast as C Python, sometimes faster, sometimes slower.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
You can easily call Python functions from Java code with Jython. That is as long as your Python code itself runs under Jython, i.e. doesn't use some C extensions that aren't supported. If that works for you, it's certainly the simplest solution you can get. Otherwise you can use org.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.